Did you know that Garab Rinpoche, a spiritual master born in the serene lands of Pekka, eastern Bhutan, carries within him a lineage steeped in profound wisdom and divine blessings? Today's video will be important to those who are in seek of true guru of Dharma to lead towards the path of enlightenment. Stick to the end as we dive into the story of the profound teacher Garab Rinpoche. Let's embark on a journey through the extraordinary life of Garab Rinpoche and explore the depths of his teachings. Garab Rinpoche's lineage is nothing short of extraordinary. His father, the renowned Nyingmapa master Thinley Norbu Rinpoche, was a beacon of wisdom in his own right. Thinley Norbu Rinpoche inherited his spiritual legacy from his father, the second Dujom Rinpoche, who held the esteemed position of head of the Nyingmapa lineage. But the spiritual lineage doesn't stop there. Garab Rinpoche's maternal grandfather was none other than the illustrious tantric yogi, Sonam Zangpo Rinpoche, a chief disciple of the great Sakya Sri. As an emanation of Bodhisattva Manjushri, Garab Rinpoche carries within him the human Deva blood lineage of the Tibetan king Trisong Dortsen, which has been meticulously transmitted through generations, from the second Dujom Rinpoche to Thinley Norbu Rinpoche, and now to Garab Rinpoche himself. This unbroken lineage is a reservoir of profound blessings and wisdom, empowering Garab Rinpoche to carry forth the Dujom lineage with utmost purity and dedication. From a tender age, Garab Rinpoche was entrusted with the weighty responsibility of upholding the Dujom lineage. At the age of 19, he began shouldering this sacred burden, devoting himself wholeheartedly to the dissemination of the Dujom new treasure teachings. His commitment to this cause is evident in his tireless efforts to spread the wisdom of the lineage far and wide. In Bhutan, Garab Rinpoche orchestrates annual Grand Dorya Phurba Puja ceremonies, conducts group practices of Krodakali, and bestows major empowerments to eager disciples. His dedication to the propagation of the Dujom lineage led him to organize the monumental Dakini Krodakali 100,000 Sogs in Bodh Gaya, the sacred site of Buddha's enlightenment, where thousands gathered to partake in the transformative practice. Throughout his life, Garab Rinpoche received profound Dharma teachings from his father, Thinley Norbu Rinpoche, who served as both his root guru and loving parent. Under his father's guidance, Garab Rinpoche imbibed the essence of the Dujom new treasure teachings, preparing him for the monumental task ahead. Garab Rinpoche's unwavering dedication to his spiritual mission did not go unnoticed. His father, Thinley Norbu Rinpoche, marveled at his son's accomplishments, from the establishment of the Rangjung Osa monastery to the proliferation of retreat centers, yogi temples, nunneries, and Buddhist institutes across Bhutan. The Dujom lineage flourished under Garab Rinpoche's stewardship, with Dharma centers sprouting in every state, where practitioners fervently engaged in the Dakini Krodakali Chod practice, fulfilling Dujom Rinpoche's prophecy. Garab Rinpoche's compassionate wish is to turn the wheel of wisdom Dharma endlessly for the benefit of all sentient beings. With the blessings of the lineage mandala, he tirelessly endeavors to propagate the Dujom new treasure teachings, ensuring that the light of wisdom illuminates the hearts of countless beings for generations to come. In the tapestry of his life, Garab Rinpoche emerges as a luminous thread, weaving together the strands of ancient wisdom and modern dedication, embodying the timeless spirit of compassion and enlightenment. Through his teachings and actions, he continues to inspire and uplift all who are fortunate enough to walk the path alongside him. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to kindly support the poverty of life.
ภิกษุจงวาสิจะหวังเป็นเดชในโลกนั้นจนเป็นผู้พาจะเกิด